enough of that riff-raff. Let's literally rip right into it. Alright, so the TurboSmart blower valve here is the dual port version, which vents to the atmosphere. The model number is TS-0223-1082. If you want the recirc one or the plumb back one, it's the model ending with 1282. I ordered this TurboSmart blower valve off Amazon. Express post, it rocked up in a couple days. The link for the blower valve is in the description below, and it's the TurboSmart Kompact EM dual port VR19 to suit the Ford Ranger Raptor and the Ford Bronco. The unit rocks up with 6 bolts, 3 of which are for the Ford Ranger Raptor and the other 3 are for the Ford Bronco. You also get the standard TurboSmart stuff with a sticker and a little instruction pamphlet that redirects you to their website. I couldn't find any instructions specifically for the Ford Ranger Raptor. However, install is very straightforward. Everything is literally plug and play. Just bolt in, everything lines up, zero dramas as usual with TurboSmart products. We'll skip through the install video as there's a fairly comprehensive video on the TurboSmart YouTube page along with their website. One thing I'd really like to point out to you guys is, as you can see, there's a fair bit of movement between the intercooler piping, the motor and the wiring. When you put your cable ties in, just make sure they're not super tight and make sure that the cables can move around freely and that they won't rub on anything. Alright legends, thanks so much for making it this far in the video. These videos take me ages to film and to edit. I'm pretty new to this YouTube stuff. If you like any of the content that I'm making for the Ford Ranger Raptor, it'd be really good if you could comment down below what you love or what you'd like to see. And please, if you could consider liking and subscribing to this video, it'll really help the channel out. I really hope you guys enjoy the raw footage. See you on the next one.